Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add background videos in WordPress using the Elementor plugin. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your WordPress site and go to the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Pages section and select the page where you want to add a background video. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Next, create an area for your video by dragging and dropping either a container or a section widget onto your page. These serve as the building blocks for your layout. If needed, you can also add a text editor to include text over your background video. Now, customize the container. Click the Settings icon at the top of the container, then go to the Style tab. Under Background Type, select the video icon. In the Video Link field, paste the URL of your video. This can be from your media library, YouTube, or Vimeo, as long as it's a direct link. You can further customize playback by setting start and end times, enabling looping, or allowing playback on mobile devices. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to save your changes. So that's basically how you can add background videos in WordPress with Elementor. That's it for this video. Thanks.